If you do it right, this will absorb any punch. I did research on it. Come to find out, this wasn't called tonsao. Originally, it was called asking Buddha for help. Demons don't care what you call it. What they're looking for is the position that draws them.
Interesting story, but unfortunately, I have to give you an F for your research. Buddha is not a god, meaning we do not pray or worship him. Buddha is a philosopher and a spiritual leader who taught how to deal with suffering in life. Tan Sao. Tan means to spread, Sao, and so it means spread out your hand. It is a directional guidance rather than a name of a technique. For example, if I say Tan Hoi Lei Dun Shu, it means to spread out your book.